Hi there, so I'm going to show you around our 2014 Ford Fiesta panel van. I'll just take you around the bodywork and point out any main features. Let's take it down the left hand side now. I'm showing the front left. It's the front right, which is in lovely condition all round. Across the windscreen you can see a couple of little chips on the front, nothing major at all. Take down the right now. Show the back right. Just the hold back boot, whatever you want to call it. Take you inside now. You've got your electric mirrors and windows. Seats are all in lovely condition. Just been valeted, so they're still a bit damp. So 137,378 miles on the clock. Got your steering wheel controls there for your radio. Your climate control there. CD player, radio, aux connectivity. The aux and USB down here, as along with a 12-volt port. So yeah, just a nice, good quality van. Comes with 1 year MOT, 1 year AA cover and 1 year warranty. If you're interested in booking a viewing or have any questions about the van, please feel free to give us a call on 07917 033 781. This advert, along with all of our adverts, can be found on our website, paylessforcar.com. Thank you, bye.